Hi, welcome back to Veganized by Veli. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan fried calamari and tartar sauce that slap. For the calamari, I'll be using these heart of palms from Trader Joe's. You can use any other brand. The bowl on the right will be for the batter. The bowl on the left will be for the crust. I'm adding flour to the right bowl, and to the left I'll be adding Panko breadcrumbs. Add Old Bay seasoning to both. Garlic powder to both. Dried basil to both. Black pepper to both. Kelp granules to both, which will give it a fishy taste as this comes from seaweed. And again to both, add some paprika. Mix the ingredients in each bowl. Salt to both. Mix. To the batter bowl, I am adding some oat milk. You can use any other plant milk. Mix the milk in. To the batter only, add some apple cider vinegar, caper brine, and also pickle brine. Mix it again. And at this point, I noticed it was too runny, so I added more flour. I tasted the batter and decided to add more kelp. Here you see me slicing the heart of palms into small rounds, so pushing out the middle part so it looks more like a calamari. But I decided that this step is not essential, so next time I'll be skipping it. Once the skillet and the oil are hot, I am going to run each piece through the batter and then through the panko crumbs, and then in the oil. Continue repeating this step. When the underside starts looking golden brown, I'll start flipping each piece. Once both sides are golden brown, I'll put each piece on a napkin so that it drains a little bit of the grease. Okay, and now to make a quick vegan tartar sauce, I'm using vegan Hellmann's mayonnaise, chopped capers, chopped pickles, kelp granules, black pepper, mustard powder. Mix it well. Add a little bit of pickle brine and a bit of caper brine. Mix it again. And that's it. You have vegan calamari and vegan tartar sauce, which together definitely slap. Give this a try. Please like the video and remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.